In the first segment, we delve into the realm of AI video. The first highlight is OpenAI's Sora, a cutting-edge tool that breathes life into text prompts by creating high-quality, realistic videos. Then there's NVIDIA's Clip, an AI system that bridges the gap between text and images, paving the way for more immersive and interactive video experiences. As we move on to AI in the music industry, we discuss Suno Alpha 3, an AI music platform that has undergone a significant upgrade, offering better audio quality, increased expressiveness, and the ability to generate longer, more complex songs. In this realm, we also have Microsoft Loop, a video editing tool that now boasts AI-powered features like automatic transcription and object recognition, streamlining your workflow. Next, we explore the intersection of AI and design. Google Bard is a powerful language model that lets you create breathtaking images with just a few words. Canva, a popular design platform, has infused AI across various aspects, making design creation more accessible and efficient. Finally, we touch on some additional AI advancements. GitHub's Copilot, an AI coding assistant, is constantly learning and improving, providing developers with even more advanced suggestions during coding tasks. And Ubisoft is exploring the use of AI for generating dialogue in video games, potentially leading to more dynamic and immersive experiences. In summary, the AI advancements we've discussed today, from video generation to music creation and design, are revolutionizing multiple fields at an unparalleled pace. Remember, we are living in a time when the potential of AI is more tangible than ever. The future is here and it's powered by artificial intelligence. As always, we encourage you to share your thoughts and ideas. What are the areas you're most excited to see AI impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. For those who crave a deeper dive into these advancements, I suggest you check out the video, Another Massive Week in AI News, What's Going On, by Anvar Sattarov on YouTube. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember the future is closer than you think.